Always feeling tired, even after a full night's sleep? You're not alone. Today, I'll show you the 5 hidden reasons why you're low on energy and how to fix them naturally. 1. Poor sleep quality. Sleeping for 8 hours doesn't always mean you're well rested. If your sleep is broken or shallow, your body never reaches deep healing stages. Keep a consistent sleep schedule. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed, try magnesium or herbal tea. 2. Dehydration. One of the most common causes of fatigue is simple: dehydration. Even 1% drop in water level can cause brain fog and tiredness. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Add lemon or cucumber for a boost. 3. Vitamin deficiency. Low levels of vitamin B12, D, or iron can leave you feeling drained and dizzy. Get a blood test. Include leafy greens, eggs, fish. Consider a supplement if needed. 4. Stress overload. Chronic stress keeps your body in fight or flight mode, draining energy constantly. Try 5-minute deep breathing. Walk daily in nature. Write down thoughts. 5. Blood sugar crash. Eating too much sugar or skipping meals causes energy crashes. Eat every 3 to 4 hours. Include protein and fiber with meals. Cut sugary drinks. Your energy is in your hands. Fix these 5 small things and feel better in just a week. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get more health tips and updates. Want a free energy-boosting food list? Link below.